students, hope you are enjoying my digital lectures. As you already know me now, yes, I'm Fiha Sufyan, your mathematics teacher. I warmly welcome you all on the platform of digital academics provided by Moonlight International Publishers. Well, my dear students, today my topic is real life situations involving multiplication of one-digit numbers. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to solve number stories on multiplication up to one-digit numbers. Here, the keywords of multiplication are, you can check on your screen. These words are going to tell you that this is multiplication. That is, you are going to apply multiplication. As you know that this one is multiplication symbol. Okay, so now you are going to remember these words because these words are going to tell you that this real life situation is related to multiplication. The words are such, by, every, of, product, times, double, triple, multiplied by, increased by. Now, my dear students, I am going to tell you the steps which you need to follow to solve a real life situation or word problem. The word is over here. Yes, this word is going to tell you that this is basically the main steps are over here. Cubers is the word which you need to remember. Cubers. C for the cubers stand for circle the numbers. U stands for underline. Yes, underline the keywords. Now, B stands for box the question. E stands for evaluate the operation. R stands for rephrase the statements. And S finally, S stands for solve in steps. You need to remember one thing, that the whole problem, question must be solved step by step instead of writing the answer directly. Let's solve an example through this method, Cubers method. Okay, now see, check on your screen, example is over here. There are 8 eggs in a curtain. If the number of such curtains is 5, then find the total number of eggs. Now, my dear students, we need to remember cubers. Okay, do you remember this word? C stands for circle the numbers. Here the numbers are, you can check, 8 and 5. So I will circle these numbers to remember these numbers in my mind. Now, what next I'm going to do? I'm going to underline the keyword. Okay, because the keywords over here, U stands for underline the keywords. The keywords will tell you that this is the word problem. Okay, now the keywords over here you can check curtain, the numbers, number, such, total. These are the keywords. Okay, now B stands for box the question. So I'm going to box this question starting from the thing which is find the total number of eggs. Okay, so I'm going to box this one. Okay, now E stands for evaluate the operation. Now I need to evaluate the operation. When I will evaluate the operation? Right now, by checking the keywords. You can check the keyword. There is a word written over here, such. This such word is telling me that this is multiplication. Okay, so I got this in my mind that this is multiplication which I am going to do. Now, what next? I have done evaluation now. R, yes, R stands for rephrase the statements, and after R you are going to have S. S stands for solving steps. So let's start it and solving steps. Now check on your screen the first statement I am going to prepare, or I can rephrase it. There are 8 eggs in a curtain. This is the first sentence of the problem. Now, what I will write? Underline in your mind, eggs in a curtain. Okay, this is written over here in the first sentence. So I will write it down over here. Eggs in a curtain is equals to how many? 8. Okay, good. So you are going to write the number 8 here after equality sign. Now I am going to write the second statement from the second sentence. The second sentence is, if the number of such curtains is 5, so what you are going to do? What I am going to write? Here the main thing is number of curtains is the main thing. So is will tell you that this is equals to symbol. Now number of curtains is equals to 5. I will write it from the second sentence. Now the final statement I will write from this number, from this statement which is in the box. Now I will tell that find in your mind, and then total number of eggs is equals to, or you can write it down as total number of eggs in 5 curtains is equals to 8 multiplied by 5. Recall 5 time table. Then you are going to get that 5 8s are, yes, that is 40. So you are going to write equality symbol, write like this, and then write 40 over here. Now the final ending statement without equality symbol. Okay, so the statement will be taken from the last ending sentence, you can see, or the question statement. Okay, now this is the thing, the total number of eggs in 5 curtains is equals to 40. You remember the third statement. Now I will write it down. The total number of eggs in 5 curtains is 40. Okay, you can take it from the third statement as well and remove equality symbol, and instead of equality symbol you can write is, okay, or are, depending upon the situation. Now this is the final statement which is basically the answer of the word problem. Okay, and you know in the answer there is no need to have equality symbol. Equality symbol will be in the statements. Okay, do remember this thing, and do remember the cubist word, and remember the key words of multiplication. Then solving real life situation or solving real life problems will be more easier for you guys. We'll get back to you with more interesting concepts of mathematics. Till then you need to take care of yourself as well as your family. Allah Hafiz.